Hello, my friends. Welcome back to our slow English story time. Today, I will tell you about my weekend. It's a simple day, but full of small, happy moments. So, sit back, relax, and listen carefully. You can repeat after me if you want to practice speaking. It is Saturday morning. The sun is shining softly through my window. I slowly open my eyes. It feels good to know that it's the weekend. No alarm clock, no rush. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. The air feels fresh and cool. I smile because I have time today to do things I enjoy. I get out of bed, go to the bathroom, and wash my face. The cold water wakes me up. Then I brush my teeth and comb my hair. I look in the mirror and say to myself, "Good morning, Jessica. Let's have a nice day." I walk to the kitchen. The house is quiet. I turn on some soft music. It makes me feel peaceful. I start making breakfast. First, I make a cup of coffee. The smell fills the room, warm and strong. Then I toast 2 slices of bread. I fry 1 egg and cut a banana. I sit near the window, drink my coffee slowly, and enjoy the morning light. Outside, I can hear birds singing. It's such a peaceful moment. After breakfast, I wash the dishes, wipe the table, and open the curtains wide. The room becomes bright. I like to start my day in a clean space. Now it's time to clean the house. I sweep the floor, dust the shelves, and water my small plants near the window. The green leaves look happy when they get sunlight. Then I collect my clothes and start the washing machine. I add soap, close the lid, and listen to the gentle sound of water. While the clothes are washing, I tidy my bedroom. I fold the blanket and arrange the pillows neatly. It feels good to see everything clean and calm. When the washing is done, I hang the clothes on the balcony. The wind blows softly, and they move like flags in the breeze. After cleaning, I decide to go shopping. I need a few things for lunch and dinner. I take my reusable bag and walk to the small shop near my house. The shopkeeper smiles and says, "Good morning, Jessica." I smile back and say, "Good morning. How are you today?" We always greet each other kindly. I buy some rice, chicken, vegetables, and a few fruits. I also buy soap and paper towels. When I pay, the shopkeeper says, "Have a nice day." I reply, "You too." Then I walk home slowly, enjoying the sunny weather. It's almost lunchtime when I return home. I put the groceries on the table and start cooking. Today, I will make fried rice and grilled chicken. First, I wash the rice and boil it until it becomes soft and fluffy. Then I cut vegetables, carrots, green peas, and onions. I heat a pan, add a little oil, and fry the vegetables for a few minutes. The smell is wonderful. After that, I add the rice and mix everything together. I add a spoon of soy sauce and a little salt. The color becomes golden brown. For the chicken, I mix it with lemon juice, pepper, and garlic. I grill it until it turns golden and juicy. When everything is ready, I set the table with a glass of juice. I sit down, say thank you for the food, and eat slowly. It tastes delicious. After lunch, I wash the dishes again. I like to keep my kitchen clean after every meal. Then I take a short rest. I lie on the sofa, close my eyes, and listen to light music. Sometimes I read a few pages of a small book. Other times, I just enjoy the quiet. After a short nap, I feel fresh again. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I dress up, grab my purse, and head to a nearby coffee shop. My friends are already there, smiling and waving. We sit together near the window. I order a cappuccino and a small chocolate cake. We talk about our week, about work, family, and funny little things. We laugh a lot. The coffee shop smells like roasted beans and sweet desserts. It feels cozy and calm. We stay there for about an hour. Before leaving, we take a group photo and promise to meet again next weekend. Then I walk home slowly, enjoying the golden evening light. When I reach home, I still have a bit of office work to finish. So I turn on my laptop and check my emails. I reply to a few messages and update some reports. I don't rush. The quiet evening helps me focus. I finish my work around 6 o'clock. Then, I close the laptop, stretch my arms, and smile. It feels good to complete everything before dinner. Now it's time to cook again. Tonight, I will make pasta and a simple salad. First, I boil water and add the pasta. While it's cooking, I chop tomatoes, garlic, and bell peppers. I fry them lightly in olive oil. The smell fills the kitchen again. When the pasta is soft, I mix it with the vegetables, add salt, pepper, and a little cheese. It looks colorful and tasty. For the salad, I cut lettuce, cucumber, and carrots. I pour a spoon of olive oil and squeeze some lemon juice on top. It's fresh and light. I sit down at the table, play soft music, and enjoy my meal. I eat slowly and think about my day. Cooking makes me happy. It feels like self-care. After eating, I stand by the sink again. I wash the plates, cups, and cooking pots. The water is warm, and I take my time. I wipe the counter and dry my hands with a towel. Now the kitchen is clean again. Everything smells fresh and peaceful. It's almost 9 o'clock now. I feel a little tired but calm. I go to the bathroom and take a warm shower. The water feels soft on my skin. I wash my hair and let the steam relax me. After showering, I wear my pajamas and make a cup of herbal tea. I sit near the window again. Outside, the sky is dark and quiet. The city lights twinkle in the distance. I open my book and read a few pages. The story takes me to another world. Reading before bed always helps me sleep better. Now it's time to rest. I close my book, turn off the light, and lie down. The bed feels soft and warm. I think about my day, the cleaning, the cooking, the coffee with friends. It was simple, but it made me happy. I whisper, Thank you for this day. Then I close my eyes. The night is quiet, and soon I fall asleep peacefully. Thank you, my friends, for listening to my story. Did you enjoy Jessica's weekend? Maybe your weekend is similar. Remember, learning English is like living a day step by step. You listen, you speak, you practice, and you grow. If you liked this story, listen again slowly and repeat some sentences. It will help your speaking and listening. Have a wonderful day, and see you in the next story. Goodbye and take care.